and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. On this channel, I pretty much focus on fashion, lifestyle, dating advice, and sometimes beauty. In this particular video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys something that I've been talking about on my channel for months now, ever since we've been in lockdown. One of the things that I miss the most is getting my nails done. I have just missed it, being in a nail salon and hearing those three beautiful little words, pick a color. But all of that is behind me now because I finally decided to try the fabulous world of press-on nails, and I am so impressed. So this video is in collaboration with a company called ALLDASHING. They sell press-on nail kits in so many different styles and types and varieties, whether you're looking for stiletto nails, coffin nails, rounded nails, oval nails. They pretty much have it. Matte nails, chrome nails, glitter nails, rhinestone nails. All of that is available on their website, and the prices are super duper affordable. When I tell you, you can get a set of nails, a fresh set, for around $10, and it takes you less than 10 minutes to do it yourself, that is insane, but that's exactly what I did with this set of nails right here. Get into it, matte black with the little rhinestone nail accent. What? Girl, I am back to feeling cute again. Now that I got my nails done. When you get your nails done, you feel fancy, and I feel fancy right now. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can get salon quality nails like this for around 10 bucks, and you can do them yourself in less than 10 minutes. It's super simple, no glue. You don't have to worry about damaging your nail bed, none of that. It's super easy and inexpensive, and I'm gonna show you how. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I had to put this paper towel down because I don't want to ruin my little vanity that I just cleaned. But anyway, so here is what my nails look like. They've already been cut and trimmed a little bit. They're nice and clean. My hands are nice and moisturized, and we are ready to apply our nails. So let's go ahead and do the black set. I'm going to open this box up, and then we're going to see exactly what is inside. All right, so here is what this set looks like. Each set comes with 30 nails. That way you'll have some size variety and gives you a little bit of options. So along with the nails, you also get this little kit right here, which comes with a little nail file. It also has a little cuticle pusher and a little alcohol prep pad that you're going to use to kind of wipe your nails off before you get started. And then it also comes with this little set right here. This is just in case you lose a nail, like a nail happened to pop off, you can always just replace it. So I'm ready to start the process to go from this to this. So first up, we're going to try to find the perfect size, and since each kit comes with 30 nails, finding your perfect size is pretty easy. So I'm going to use this little prep pad to wipe off my nails. You want to just go in and make sure that you have a clean base to start. And if you'd like, you can use this little cuticle pusher to push your cuticles back. This will just make your nails look a little bit more natural. So as you guys see, this is the back of one of the nails, and it is glueless, which means you won't have any nail damage. They're also super thin and very flexible. As you guys see, they're flexible, but they don't break. To apply the nails, all you have to do is peel this little film back like this, and then just place it on your nail. And you wanna make sure that it's aligned with your cuticle bed. And then you wanna hold the nail in place for at least 15 seconds. Okay, I feel like a new woman already. That's nice. And it's actually a really nice hold already.
That's good.
Oh my goodness, I am loving them. Loving them. I'm gonna do this other hand off camera, and then I'll be right back. Now let's give them the fresh set test. You can tap on things and be annoying just like this because these are nice and sturdy. All right, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. And like I said, be sure to check out the link below so you guys can check out ALLDASHING. Be sure to use the code Sean50, so when you buy one set, you'll get the second set 50% off. That's a nice little deal. And they're already super duper affordable, so you'll love the prices. And that is pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.